This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about condiment cups, specifically these stainless steel condiment cups. It's a 2-ounce cup that's 2 3/4 inches in diameter and 1 inch in height. In addition to the 2-ounce size that we have here, these are also available in 4 and 6-ounce sizes as well. They have a classic and stylish design, and that stainless steel is really durable, making them a useful tool that's really going to hold up to heavy use in your kitchen. They're perfect for a variety of different condiments and small side dishes, so think ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, dressings, dips, and salsas. The larger sizes of these are going to be great for communal dips and salsas and larger portions, and also things like small side dishes. They're perfect to serve up small sides of things like potato salad, coleslaw, macaroni salad, all those lovely things you think about at a summer picnic. They're perfect for any establishment looking for a lovely reusable option for dips, sauces, and condiments, or to use in your own home on your own table.